Hey, it's Phil here from the FarmOntario team, bringing you another beautiful Ontario dairy farm. Welcome to Greenway Farms, just west of Lucan. This 111 kilogram robot dairy operation is well kept as they come. Let's go take a look. Stepping into this 2013 Lucan built freestall barn, you are immediately greeted by the light, open, and well-ventilated space. Tall 12-foot curtains with automatic top curtains, 4 big-ass ceiling fans, and 9 chimneys allow the air to move through this barn effortlessly, while the space is light and bright with the help of 3 large plexiglass overhead doors on the front of the barn. The barn features 108 milking stalls with 2 Lely A4 robots that are set on either side of the center alley. 56 stalls with the first robot, 52 larger stalls with the second robot for your larger cows. The end of the barn can be adjusted to use as many of these stalls as necessary for dry cows, and the maternity and sick pens are found at the front of the barn before the robots. Located beside the office and behind the milk room is a separately ventilated calf room with 5 group pens and an automatic calf feeder. Feed is stored in 4 upright concrete silos, with 2 of these being sealed units. There's also ample manure storage on the property with a large liquid pit exclusively for the milking barn and another separate liquid pit for the heifer barn, as well as a 3rd dry manure storage area. Set behind me here is the renovated heifer barn that was recently done by Dairy Lane Systems. It's one of the most efficient and effective renovations I've seen for an older barn. It's beautiful, it's well ventilated, and it includes 5 separate pens for heifers that are on pack with a single alley scraper going out to its own manure pit. Definitely not to be missed is the yellow brick home that has 3 bedrooms upstairs and has undergone some renovations throughout to make it a beautiful place to rest your head at the end of your day. Overall, the dairy market in Southern Ontario has been pretty quiet as of late, so this is a very exciting opportunity to come and check out. If you're interested in more information or setting up a private showing for this 111 saleable kilo operation, give us a call or reach out to us at the contact information at the end of this video. Have a great day and thanks for coming on the tour.